Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your computer with as either a Wi-Fi repeater or modem. So, heads up, this is a feature you have to have Windows 10 to use. It will not work on Windows 7 or 8 or any other older version of Windows than 10. So, all you have to do is open up settings and type in mobile hotspot, and then this will come up. Here we have share my internet connection from Wi-Fi, and if you have an Ethernet cable plugged into your computer, that'll show up here too. You can choose to either share the internet connection over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. When you select Wi-Fi, and then for Bluetooth, when your computer will become discoverable on Bluetooth, and then you can just connect to the Bluetooth devices, share the internet from there. Or if you select Wi-Fi, it'll come up as whatever comes up here will come up as the network name, and network password will show here. You can edit that, edit the password, edit the laptop name, network band 5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, and there you go. So that's about it for this video. Got to make sure to turn this on when you're finished setting everything up. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.